Welcome to How To with Janie. Today we're looking at how to make white chicken lasagna. So white chicken lasagna is just a nice alternative to regular lasagna. This is a recipe for 4 servings and I've got 2 sliced chicken breasts in my pan. Now for this recipe you don't want to brown the chicken, you just want to cook it to go into the lasagna. So I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You just want to give that a quick stir. And this is optional. This is half the zest and juice of 1 lemon, but it does give the dish a nice lemon flavour. But if you don't want the lemon flavour, you can leave that out, or you can reduce the amount of lemon. And 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley, and 1 tablespoon of garlic, and I've just chopped that up quite finely. And again, just a quick stir. I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of butter, and the butter just gives the chicken a lovely taste. It's not really for frying as much as just giving it a nice flavour. It goes really well with the lemon and the parsley. I'm just going to add in a little chicken stock. I've just made this up earlier. So roughly about 3 tablespoons of chicken stock. You don't want to put in too much, you don't want too much water, and 1/2 a chicken stock cube. Now the flavouring in this chicken is a very high concentrate because it's going to flavour the whole dish. So now I've got a whole jar of dolmio white sauce. This is 750 grams and this is a family size jar that you would get in the UK. And you just want to start layering up as you do with lasagna. So you just keep going in layers. Now I always use this round bowl because it's got a lid and it's my favourite bowl. This is the way my mum made lasagna, but obviously if you want to use a different bowl or a square bowl, it would be easier with lasagna sheets. But you just break the sheets, and I've never ever pre-blanched my sheets of pasta. I find that you don't really need it, and I quite like lasagna just slightly al dente, and that's important especially if you want to heat it up the next day. You don't want it too soggy. So this lasagna is really nice. As I say, it's quite different from regular lasagna and it's a lovely tasty flavour. You just want to squash it down, and you always want to finish with white sauce because that cooks that top layer of pasta. And then I've got 200 grams of grated mozzarella, and I did put some in during making lasagna, but most of it I've put on top. Then you want to cover it and bake it for 45 minutes to 1 hour until when you put a knife through you can tell the pasta is cooked. So it's a fabulous dish. It's got a lovely garlic lemon flavour and the chicken is really nice. So I hope that you really enjoy this recipe. I've served it up with some salad. You don't want anything too heavy because it is quite a nice rich dish. So I hope that you've enjoyed watching the video and that you can subscribe to see more videos and also become a patron. Thank you.